Nobody tells you this. Making your first $1,000 is actually harder than making your first $100,000. That sounds crazy, but here's why. When you've never made money before, you don't know what works. You watch hundreds of YouTube videos. You save thousands of TikToks. You buy courses. You write plans. And after months, your bank account still says $0. The internet tells you there are thousands of ways to make money. Drop shipping, crypto, day trading, affiliate marketing, AI, print on demand. But here's the truth. None of those businesses matter until someone is willing to pay you. Today, I'm going to show you the simplest roadmap to earning your first $1,000 without fake gurus, without overnight success, and without needing thousands of dollars to start. Stay until the end because I'll also give you a 30-day challenge that can actually get you your first paying client. Most beginners don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they're confused. They spend months learning and 0 minutes selling. Think about it. Imagine someone spends 6 months learning how to cook, but never opens a restaurant, never sells food, never cooks for anyone. Are they making money? Of course not. Making money isn't about knowing everything. It's about creating value for someone else. The biggest mistake beginners make isn't choosing the wrong business. It's choosing not to start. Time. Everyone has time, but if you only trade time for money, your income has a limit. Work 1 hour. Get paid 1 hour. Simple. Skills. Skills increase your value. If 2 people work for 1 hour, but one knows programming, and the other doesn't, who gets paid more? Exactly. Skills multiply your earning power. Services. A skill becomes valuable only when someone pays for it. Video editing, design, writing, coding, marketing. These are services. Freelancing. Instead of working for one boss, you work for multiple clients. Now your income isn't limited to one paycheck. Business. Eventually, you stop doing all the work yourself. You build systems. You hire people. Now your business works even when you're sleeping. Investing. Finally, your money starts working for you. Stocks, real estate, index funds, businesses. Notice something? Investing is at the top, not the beginning. Most beginners want passive income before they've earned active income. That's backwards. Step 1. Learn one high income, not 7. 1. The internet rewards specialists. Some of the best beginner skills include video editing, coding, AI automation, graphic design, copywriting, social media management, sales. Choose one based on 2 questions. First, do I enjoy learning it? Second, are businesses already paying for it? If both answers are yes, start there. Don't worry about becoming the best. You only need to become useful. Step 2, solve problems. Here's something that changed my life. People don't buy effort. They buy outcomes. Nobody hires a video editor because they love editing. They hire an editor because they want more views. Nobody buys copywriting. They buy more sales. Nobody pays for AI automation. They pay to save time. Always ask yourself, what problem am I solving? Let's say you're a designer. Instead of saying, I make logos, say, I help businesses look more professional so customers trust them. See the difference? You're selling results, not tasks. Step 3. Find your first client. Now comes the scary part, actually asking people. Here's the truth. Your first client probably won't come from a viral post. They'll come from reaching out. Places to find clients. Facebook groups, LinkedIn, Fiverr, Upwork, Discord communities, local businesses, Instagram, even your own neighborhood. Here's a simple message. Hi, I noticed your business could improve its social media videos. I'm currently building my portfolio, so I'd love to edit one video for free. If you like the result, we can discuss working together. Thanks. That's it. Simple. Professional. No begging. No pretending to be an expert. If 100 people ignore you, that's normal. If 2 people reply, that's opportunity. Step 4. Raise your price. Most beginners make one mistake. They charge premium prices without proof. Instead, think of your first few projects as investments. Charge less. Deliver more. Collect testimonials. Build trust. Then increase your price. Example. First project, $30. Second, $75. Third, $150. So, businesses stop asking, "Why are you so expensive?" They start asking, "When can you start?" Step 5. Repeat until $1,000. Making $1,000 isn't magic. It's math. 5 clients paying $200 equals $1,000. 10 clients paying $100 equals $1,000. 20 clients paying $50. Still, $1,000. The goal isn't finding one rich customer. It's creating consistent value. Biggest mistakes. Mistake 1. Waiting until you're perfect. You'll never feel ready. Start anyway. Mistake 2. Buying every course. Knowledge without action is entertainment. Mistake 3. Quitting after rejection. Every successful freelancer has been ignored, rejected, ghosted. Keep going. Mistake 4. Trying passive income first. Passive income usually comes after you've built skills, clients, or assets, not before. Mistake 5. Ignoring sales. You could be the best designer in the world, but if nobody knows you exist, nobody can hire you. 30-day challenge. Here's your challenge. Week 1. Choose one skill. Nothing else. Week 2. Practice every single day. Build small projects. Week 3. Create a simple portfolio. 3 projects are enough. Week 4. Contact 100 potential clients. Not 10. Not 20. 100. Most people won't do this. That's exactly why it works. Ending. Making your first $1,000 isn't about becoming rich. It's about proving something, that someone, somewhere, is willing to exchange their hard-earned money for the value you create. Once that happens, everything changes. You stop asking, "Can I make money online?" and start asking, "How can I make even more value?" Remember this: money follows value. The more problems you solve, the more opportunities you'll create. So stop waiting. Pick one skill. Help one person. Earn your first dollar, then your first 100, then your first 1,000. Because every successful entrepreneur started exactly where you are today. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos on money, business, AI, and building valuable skills. And if you're serious about making your first $1,000, watch my next video where I'll show you 10 beginner-friendly skills that people are paying for right now. I'll see you there.